Hi guys, it's Jamilla here and I hope you're having a wonderful day today. So for today's video, I am taking you along with me as I search for fall home decor. It is such a cozy time to be home and that's why I love decorating for the fall season. And I'm going to go to a couple of different stores today. So HomeGoods, Target. So it's going to be a pretty busy day and I'm excited to take you along. So let's go. Alrighty, and to start our day off right, we have a pumpkin spice cold brew from Starbucks. It's so good. Okay, starting off with their autumn and Halloween section, I wasn't really feeling a lot of their overly fall home decor with lettering. I'm going for more of a minimal look. They did have a couple of really cute ottomans that I found. They also always have a huge selection for pillows, so they had these really pretty yellows and terracotta colors, and a nice selection of wreaths. I also fell in love with this lamp, but it was a little too expensive at $60. Hey guys, okay, so now we are at Target and Michael's is right next door. I might go check it out to look for some dried flowers. I'm really in the search for some like beautiful fall kind of dried flowers or leaves. I'm not sure if I'm gonna find it, so let's go check it out. I'm really loving the collection of pumpkins this year, especially these cute rattan pumpkins that, you know, is super in right now and they match really well with any home decor in my opinion. They also had really cute candles. I really love the shape of those bowls. Fluted canisters like this are super popular right now, so they have a pretty big selection. Even bathroom accessories are now available at Target, and I thought they were super cute. I have a really big obsession with pillows, but I'm loving all of the patterns and colors that Target has for this season. If you're feeling creative, you can also decorate your own wreath. At Michael's, they have a ton of props and accessories to make it really easy and fun. Michael's always has such a huge selection of fake flowers and plants, so definitely check them out if you're looking for some. Hi guys, okay, so it is the next day. I got home super late last night, so I didn't have time to film, but I still wanted to end this video with showing you a haul of every single thing I got from the stores. And let's start first with the first store, which is HomeGoods. I got this really beautiful green plaid pillow and I absolutely love the colors. Then I also picked up this pillow as well. I mean, if you can't tell already, I really love the black floral print. As you can see, it kind of matches my wallpaper back there, but this is just so me right here. And those pillows were $20 each. Also got a couple of pumpkins as well, including this really beautiful green velvet pumpkin, and this one was $10, as well as this wooden one, which is so cute, and this one was also $10, and I thought they went really well together. And with the fall season, you always have to get a new candle, so I picked up this gigantic one from HomeGoods. It is clove pumpkin. It smells really good and I don't think I'm gonna run out anytime soon. This one was $15. Okay, the last thing I got from HomeGoods were these really pretty tea towels. and I love this burnt orange color, and I thought this would work well with Christmas as well. So I'm always trying to find something that works for both Thanksgiving or for Christmas, so this is cute. Okay, now moving on to Target. I love this wreath that I purchased, and I think it was $30, and this is the first wreath I've ever owned. So I'm planning to put this up on the door, and I'm excited that it's gonna look super festive in here. And from their Dollar Tree section at Target, I picked up a couple of items, including this really pretty green candle, which is sage and eucalyptus, and it was $3. I also got this fake plant, and I thought this would look super pretty just on a vase somewhere, and it was also $3. My favorite purchase out of all of the items I got today is this gigantic vase. It is extremely heavy and really nice quality. It was only $25, and I think it was from their Studio McGee line. And I love that it is simple and it can just match that like minimalistic fall aesthetic. And I think this could work for all seasons, really. I also got this really pretty vase. Also purchased this really pretty casserole dish, and I love the color and the style of it. This is a threshold item, and it was $15. I'm really excited to bake some autumn desserts this season. As you saw, Target has a really nice selection of pumpkins this year, and I got a couple of them, which is back here. I really love this ceramic pumpkin. It just goes with everything, and this one was $15, as well as this really pretty fabric pumpkin. That was, I think, $15 as well. Okay, the last thing I got from Target is this terracotta bath mat. Thought it was perfect for Thanksgiving. The last store I went to is Michael's, and I just got a couple of things. They have a huge selection of fake plants, as you saw. I purchased these really pretty fall leaves. I got 2 of them. Aren't they gorgeous? These were $8, but they were all 40% off, and I think that deal is still going on. Lastly, I got this really pretty fake plant as well. Okay guys, that's it for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, be sure to like and subscribe. It'll help my channel a lot, and I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers. And also stay tuned for my next video, because I will be decorating my home for the fall season, including all of these products you saw here today. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye!